Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change out the line on your Bosch Weed Whacker, your Bosch brush cutter here. So this one is actually perfect. I'm just doing this purely for the video. But if your one is now broken because it's worn down, then hopefully you will still have your replacements in the handle here. So take off the rubber end of the handle and you will see that you will have replacement ones in here. So I'm going to take one out, put the other one back in, put back the rubber bung. And it's nice and straightforward to do. All we have to do is come over to this bit and we have two arrows in here. That tells us where we need to push in. Obviously make sure that the appliance is unplugged when you're doing this. So make sure that you're not plugged into the mains in case anybody was to accidentally turn it on when you're working on it. So we've got an arrow here and here, and we're just going to push in on the grey bit here and the grey bit here as well. So we're going to push in here and this top section will just come off like so, and this is where the line is located. So you can take a picture of it if you're unsure how to put it back in, but it's really straightforward. You can only put it in one side here. So get your replacement one and you're going to be putting in the metal bit into this clip area here. So there's two little clips, so just force it down here like so, and you can see now those clips have gone around it. I'm just squeezing it in there. You can see the clips have gone on top. You're going to feed this one around here and out through here, and this one around here and out through here. It is a bit awkward because it is brand new, but there you go. You can see now it's like that. And when you put the lid back on, it doesn't matter which way you put it, that way or that way, it's going to work, because you can see that these bits here are going to force down on that metal bit, and these bits here are going to go here and here to keep the line in place. So all we have to do is line it up like so, squeeze in these bits here, and then it will clip back into place, and that is it. You can see now your line's in nice and securely, and hopefully your machine will work perfectly again. Thanks for watching.